It's pretty cloudy this morning and chilly. We're actually supposed to get a bit of rain this week, so taking advantage of it while it's not raining at the moment. So, woke up this morning feeling a little crampy. As it turns out, the body has some amazing ways to let you know when it's time for certain things. So luckily today was only the cross training, because if it was a run day, I would have been so uncomfortable. So hopefully tomorrow it'll be a little bit better. But yeah, I guess today I'm just gonna kind of lay low. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse. Right now on the roof, so there's supposed to be a storm overnight, but I don't know how long it's gonna last, so I'll be wearing the rain jacket tomorrow and Thursday because it's supposed to last until Friday. Rain last night. It's kind of drizzling right now. Tomorrow it's supposed to be cloudy in the morning, so we'll see how that fares, because things can change overnight. It is going to rain overnight, which it's already starting again, so yeah. Although I am no longer cramping as much. Yay! We got lucky on our run. It just started raining really hard again. Ran over some dog poop earlier this morning on my run. Just cleaning it off, or at least whatever's left of it that it hasn't wiped off with the grass. Note to fur baby owners out there, please pick up after your dogs. Please and thank you. Got ourselves a package. Earlier this week I placed an order for more gels for our runs. Sweet. Got myself a new box of Martin gels. This one is the 12 pack of the 100. Pickle juice. I actually heard that organic, or not really organic, but like pickle juice, the unfiltered what kinds are good in terms of helping reduce cramping. So I'm gonna give these a try. I got a 3-pack, so if I like it I'll order more. If not, I just, you know, try a small pack. So long run today, 9 miles. They're pretty good. You had some good sunshine and clouds, so it was a good mix. I actually like that kind of weather, so hopefully that trend will keep going. There's no more rain, at least in the near future. I did take a couple walk breaks. My left knee felt a little bit achy. Had that happen just a little bit, so I'm gonna pretty much rest for the rest of the day and recuperate. So let's keep it going. And that completes week 6. Now you may recall I mentioned during week 5 that we were expecting a couple of rainstorms to roll into the week. Luckily, those rainstorms were mainly just overnight, so by the time morning came, we either had some, light to heavy drizzle or just clouds, which is great, and then spots of rain and thunderstorms in the afternoon. So we got really lucky during the weekdays, and our long run took us all the way up to 9 miles. Now that is the longest I ran in quite a while. And of course, keeping my strength training and stretching a priority as well. As I've gotten older, that's become important to keep my muscles and the joints to be in tip-top shape. And this week's update for our charity fundraiser for City of Hope, we've reached a quarter of the way to $500. If you're still thinking about donating to an amazing organization this holiday season, if you go down to the address right here, that will take you to my fundraising page. I'll put it in the description as well as the pinned comment. And lastly, I want to take this opportunity, with this being the final vlog of 2023. Thank you so much for joining me each week or whenever my videos pop up on your page. Thank you for joining me on my adventures, on my journeys. I truly appreciate it and your support through all of this craziness. Thank you so much, and we're gonna have so much fun in 2024. I got plenty of things lined up, as well as continuing my training, but also many more adventures to come. And with that, we'll end week 6 here. Thank you so much for joining me once again. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see here or feel inspired for your own running journey, why not subscribe if you'd like to, and like the video, as it does help and reach out more people to maybe inspire them as well. Do come back next week, as I have a whole new adventure, so you don't want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.